already, and we're blessed, to be here at this point right now. So we are grateful to have each of you here as vendors to support her, and we want to make sure that first and foremost, like I said in the beginning, that we support each other. So we always want to start by each vendor going around and seeing how you can support and network with that other vendor.
All right, so we're back with another video. So we just came back from a awesome event, Gernee's pop-up shop. She's a young entrepreneur. She is celebrating 5 years of being in business. She's a baker. She had all kind of nice snacks. So we got the cupcake, the Fetty cupcake, and another cake, but I don't know what flavor this is. But we're gonna try them. First time. This is a cupcake. And this is, oops. It's already, it's moist because it's falling out. All right, so Gernee cake. She's a young entrepreneur, so we're gonna try it for the first time. And all I know is this one is yellow cake. I don't know what flavor this is, but it's moist. I'm gonna be sure to tag her in it. It's real good. Very moist. I'm gonna let Demond try it. I don't even know the name of it. It's just a square cake with icing, and it's moist. I don't even know the name. I know her name is Gernee. I don't know the name of the cake.
That's good though. Yeah, it's really, it's really, really, really super moist, man.
And it has some it has a crunch on top.